Welcome back to Bike Lab. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CB500, a middleweight street bike that has earned legendary status for its balance, reliability, and affordability. For 2026, Honda has refined this platform further, giving it a modern edge while preserving everything that made the CB500 a go-to bike for commuters, beginners, and weekend warriors alike. Engine and performance, smooth and refined. At the heart of the CB500 is the same trusted 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, now tweaked for better mid-range torque and smoother throttle response. Honda engineers focused on refining internal components to reduce vibrations while slightly improving fuel economy. The result is a bike that delivers predictable power, perfect for city rides and highway cruising alike. Producing around 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, the CB500 continues to offer A2 license compatibility in many regions, making it a prime choice for new riders. But don't be fooled. This engine has enough punch to satisfy experienced motorcyclists looking for a practical, fun ride. Chassis and suspension, confidence in every corner. One of the highlights of the 2026 CB500 is its updated chassis. The diamond-style steel frame returns, but the geometry has been slightly revised for improved weight distribution and agility. The front end now features a 41mm Showa SFF-BP USD fork, offering more precise feedback and reduced dive under braking. At the rear, a preload adjustable monoshock keeps things balanced and plush. The CB500 handles city potholes and twisty backroads with equal ease. Combined with a low seat height of 785mm and a manageable curb weight of 191 kg, the bike feels light and agile without sacrificing stability. Brakes and tires, upgraded for control. Braking duties are handled by dual 296mm pedal discs up front with Nissan twin-piston calipers, and a single 240mm disc at the rear. ABS comes standard, offering additional confidence for new and seasoned riders alike. The braking setup, while not track spec, is more than adequate for daily use and spirited rides. Honda equips the CB500 with 17-inch cast aluminum wheels, wrapped in versatile sport touring tires that offer good grip in various conditions. The overall package encourages confidence on wet or dry pavement. Design and ergonomics, subtle but sharp. The 2026 CB500 receives minor but effective styling updates. Sharper lines, LED lighting all around, and new color options like matte pearl gray and candy red give the bike a modern, aggressive look. It strikes a balance between commuter-friendly and sport-inspired aesthetics. The riding ergonomics are upright and neutral, with wide handlebars and a relaxed knee angle. This makes the CB500 ideal for long hours in the saddle or navigating through urban traffic. The new LCD display is easier to read in direct sunlight and includes a gear position indicator, fuel economy meter, and dual trip meters. Technology and features, simple, yet modern. Honda keeps things simple with the CB500 but doesn't skimp on useful tech. The full LED lighting system improves visibility, and the updated LCD dash is a nice upgrade from previous versions. While there's no ride-by-wire or traction control, the inclusion of slipper clutch, ABS, and improved fuel mapping offers enough modern tech for its category. Fuel economy remains a major strength. With an average of 70 to 75 miles per gallon, approximate 3.2 L/100 km, and a 17.1-liter tank, the CB500 boasts excellent range, ideal for both commuters and weekend explorers. Pricing and verdict, the ultimate value. The 2026 Honda CB500 remains one of the best value propositions in the middleweight class. With a price tag hovering around $7,000, it undercuts many of its competitors while delivering Honda's legendary build quality and dependability. Whether you're a new rider looking for a friendly introduction to motorcycling, or a seasoned rider who wants a do-it-all street bike, the CB500 continues to be an unbeatable choice. Practical, stylish, and engaging to ride, it's everything you need, and nothing you don't. Final thoughts, Bike Lab approved. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Honda CB500. Honda has once again proven that refinement and reliability can coexist with fun and style. It may not be flashy, but it's a bike that delivers where it counts, day in and day out. For more motorcycle reviews and insights, stay tuned to Bike Lab, your home for real-world motorcycle content.